In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write code in Notion, providing you with a comprehensive guide for 2025. Before we dive in, let's set the context. Notion is an incredibly versatile tool that combines the functionality of several programs into one workspace. It allows you to create databases, wikis, task lists, and much more, all within a single user-friendly platform. A powerful feature of Notion that we'll explore today is the ability to write and display code neatly and professionally. First, you need to access your Notion workspace. If you're new to Notion, start by signing up and familiarizing yourself with its interface. But if you're already a seasoned user, go ahead and open your Notion app or navigate to the Notion website in your preferred internet browser. Once you're on the main page of your Notion workspace, you'll want to choose or create a page where your code will be displayed. Pages in Notion work like a blank canvas or document that can host different types of content from text to databases. If you have an existing page, simply click to open it. Otherwise, feel free to create a new page by clicking on the Add a Page button located in the sidebar. Next, let's turn our page into a code-friendly space. To add a code block, simply type /code within the page. This command is a shortcut that triggers a menu of options, allowing you to select the code block feature seamlessly. By typing this, Notion suggests a code block template. This is an efficient way to set the stage for your coding content without needing additional plugins or tools. After typing what code, look for the code option in the menu that appears. Usually, it's the top suggestion when you initiate the command. Click on this choice and voila! A code block will appear in your Notion page. It's within this block that you will input your code. Now, you're ready to type in your code. The code block supports a variety of programming languages, making it a flexible choice for developers or hobbyists working in different coding environments. Notion automatically formats the code for improved readability, offering helpful syntax highlighting in many supported languages. Whether you're working in Python, Java, HTML, or another language, this feature makes your code look clean and professional. And there you have it. A simple but effective way to use Notion as a platform for writing and displaying code. By following these steps, you can create a dedicated space for your code snippets, making it easier to organize, share, reuse, and revisit your work at any time. I hope you found this tutorial easy to follow and informative. Now it's your turn to open Notion and start coding. Thank you for watching, and happy coding in Notion.